Hey there, curious minds. Ever thought there might be hidden secrets from the world of the ancient Egyptians? Well, you're in for a wild ride. We're about to unravel some jaw-dropping discoveries that not even the experts saw coming. Get set for an electrifying Part 2 episode. Imagine one of Egypt's coolest pictures, found in the Dendera temple. It's like a snake inside a fiery ball, flying out of a flower and lifted by human arms on a pillar. Surprisingly, it looks a bit like a fancy light bulb called a Crookes tube, invented way back in the 19th century. Some experts think that ancient Egyptians might have known about and used electricity, like what we see at the Temple of Hathor in Dendera. Electricity is also connected to the ancient Mesopotamians and Greeks, especially through things like the Baghdad battery. But the ancient Egyptians took it even further. Archaeologists discovered some leftovers that suggest the Egyptians used lamps all over the temple. Among all the pyramids in Egypt, the Pyramid of Djedefre was once thought to be the fourth Great Pyramid. Experts say it was made of a unique, shiny black stone, even shinier than granite. Over time, this pyramid disappeared, and today, only its base remains. This pyramid was situated in Abu Rawash. Some suggest that the Romans may have taken its stones around 2,000 years ago, and no stone like it has been found elsewhere. Others believe it might have been left unfinished or even intentionally destroyed by the ancient Egyptians, possibly because they didn't like Djedefre. There are many mysteries surrounding this pyramid. Which stories are true, and which are false? That's what we're here to uncover. In 1868, an intriguing discovery unfolded in Egypt. A man named Mjhoilo Barak bought a mummy from a shopkeeper in Alexandria. At first, he used it as decoration, but soon realized something was off. This mummy was wrapped in a linen book covered in mysterious writings. Scientists carefully unwrapped the bandages and made an astonishing find. The writings weren't in Egyptian but in Etruscan, the ancient language of Italy's pre-Roman civilization. These wrappings held the longest intact Etruscan text ever found, possibly a treasure trove of insights into their culture. Fast forward to 1891, the museum decided to send the wrappings to Vienna for translation. An Austrian Egyptologist cracked the code. It turned out, the words weren't Coptic, as some thought, but Etruscan. They were part of an old Etruscan burial ritual, mentioning dates and gods. The mystery deepens because this mummy, named Nessie Hensu, was believed to have escaped the Roman invasion of Egypt. How she came to be wrapped in Etruscan writings remains unanswered, leaving researchers intrigued and eager to uncover more. In 2015, archaeologists made an astounding discovery inside the Great Pyramids of the Old Kingdom, 2575–2150 BC. They found the tomb of a remarkable woman. The inscriptions on her tomb describe her as the king's wife and mother. She was incredibly important in ancient Egypt around 5,400 years ago, wielding more power and respect than any other woman of her time. Yet, here's the twist. No one knows her name. Some historians call her Khentkaus III, believing she might be Khentkaus II's daughter. Others think she could be King Neferefre's wife and King Makaher's mother. But if she truly was Khentkaus III, there are no records of her anywhere. Her identity remains one of ancient Egypt's biggest mysteries, waiting to be unraveled. Pyramids can be found across the globe, in Asia, South and Central America, and the Middle East. But when we think of pyramids, those in Giza, Egypt, stand out. Surprisingly, Egypt boasts over 100 of them, still standing tall. The pyramids of Giza were built over 1,200 years before King Tut's time, designed by the original Egyptian architect, Imhotep. These pyramids are incredibly significant to Egyptians. The Great Pyramid held the title of the world's tallest building for a staggering 3,800 years. It was only surpassed by the Lincoln Cathedral in England, built in 1311. Now, here's the mystery. How were these pyramids constructed? Egyptologists aren't entirely sure, but the popular belief is that Egyptian people, including skilled masons, engineers, architects, surveyors, and craftsmen, built them as an act of public service. Experts estimate that around 20,000 to 30,000 skilled workers and over 100,000 construction laborers contributed to the construction of the Khufu temple alone. Imagine this. Each limestone block weighed 2 tons. Some scholars even think they might have used a ramp and pulley system to achieve this incredible feat. Subscribe to our English Facts School official channel and turn on the bell icon to get notifications. Thanks for watching.